Hi, welcome to Touchlighter channel. In this video we will be looking at how to permanently delete a file on your computer. Now sometimes you might have a file and you want to delete them. You can use two ways to do this: the recycle bin or a keyboard shortcut. Okay, now if you want to use the keyboard, the recycle bin, all you need to do is to go to the file in question, the file that you want to delete. To the file in question. Okay, assuming I want to delete this file here, below 0. Okay, this is a video file, I want to delete it. Okay, what I'll do is I will right click on the, after clicking on the file, click on the file here. After clicking on the file, I'll right click here, and from the drop down menu here I click on delete down here, delete. Okay, now but that action has deleted the movie, but the action only sent it to my recycle bin. If you look at my recycle bin here, there are files in there. If you click on the recycle bin, you see the below 0 file there. So it's temporarily deleted, not completely deleted from my computer. It's still in my computer. So what you need to do to permanently delete it, you click on it again and then right click on it and click on delete. Now if you want to restore it, assuming you mistakenly deleted the file, you can click on restore. It to restore the file back to the folder where you deleted it from. But now I want to permanently delete, so I click on delete, and then from the dialog box here you click on yes, and that deletes the file. You see my recycle bin is now empty. This folder is empty. Look at the box, the bin here, it's empty. I have deleted the file. Okay, now that was the first method. Okay, now the second method is using keyboard shortcut. Now to use the keyboard shortcut, you go to the file you want to delete, click on it just like before. Okay, now for example I want to delete this file too. I want to delete this file. Okay, I want to delete this file down here. Okay, I want to delete this file. Now what I need to do using that shortcut method is to click on the file here. This is a video file. Okay, and then go to my keyboard and press shift and delete at the same time. If you do that, it will bring up the dialog box that says, are you sure you want to permanently delete this file? If you click on yes, it's permanently deleted. If you click on no, it's returns back and leaves the file there. So because I want to permanently delete this, I'll click on yes. So I click on yes, it has permanently removed it and deleted it from my computer. I see the computer refreshing itself. Okay, so those are the two ways to delete a file from your computer. Okay, either you use the recycle bin method, or go through and use the keyboard shortcut, and that is my favorite method because it's more like a shortcut. You just delete it straight from there without going through the hassle of going to recycle bin and that. So that's all for now, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. You can put your questions in the comments and I'll reply to them, and then subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you and bye for now.